subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has silently launched its new affordable 5G phone in China called Redmi 13R. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Redmi 13R 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Redmi 13R 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, with MIUI 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.1 by 77.9 by 8.2 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Redmi 13R 5G has been priced in China at 999 Chinese yuan, and it is available for purchase in the country in Star Rock Black, Wave Green, and Fantasy Purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi 13R 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.